Most people don't have a money problem. They have a plan problem. Stickman stands confused, scratching head, slight frown. Money comes in and somehow disappears. Looks at empty wallet, eyes wide in shock. No tracking, no control, just guessing. Thinking pose, hand on chin, unsure face. But one simple system can change everything. Small smile. Light bulb above head. Let's start with the 50-30-20 rule. Points at the board confidently. 50% goes to your needs. Serious face pointing at needs list. Things like rent, food, and bills. Nods while looking at checklist. 30% is for wants. Slight smile, relaxed posture. Eating out, shopping, fun. Holding shopping bag happily. And 20% goes to savings. Calm face, hand on chest proudly. Savings build your future. Looking forward confidently. But what if your money still feels tight? Worried face, shoulders down. That's where zero-based budgeting helps. Focused expression, writing. Give every dollar a job. Pointing at organized list. Income minus expenses equals zero. Proud smile, hands up. Not zero money, but zero waste. Confident smirk. Now, let's make saving easier. Relaxed, open arms. Start small. Even $1 counts. Holding a coin carefully. Consistency beats big efforts. Calm nodding slowly. Automate your savings. Pressing a button happily. Money moves before you spend it. Watching money transfer calmly. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Neutral but aware expression. Earn more but don't spend more. Balanced, steady face. Track your spending weekly. Looking at notes carefully. Small leaks sink big ships. Noticing small drops leaking. Cut unnecessary subscriptions. Calmly crossing items off. Delay impulse purchases. Holding item, thinking. Ask, do I really need this? Thinking deeply. Build an emergency fund. Stacking money safely. Start with 1 month of expenses. Calm and focused. Then grow it to 3 to 6 months. Growing stack confidently. This protects you from stress. Relaxed posture, relief face. Budgeting gives you control. Strong, confident stance. Saving gives you freedom. Open arms, happy face. You don't need more money. Neutral expression. You need a better system. Confident smile. Start today. Keep it simple. Encouraging gesture. Your future self will thank you. Big smile, proud stance.